Let's open Laura's 5 mystery bags. She didn't make a wish, we randomly selected the white, purple and pink color. And if the tag matches selected color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Let's go, white. Get one more. U-shaped hoop earrings, glossy cool metallic texture, minimalist daily wear. Orange. Vintage deer ring with pearl bezel, oval engraved deer pattern and adjustable open band, delicate and artistic. Orange. Y2K style mismatched bow star earrings with contrasting hot pink and silver. Yellow. Star-shaped ring fully paved with zircon, featuring a sparkling center stone and hollow angular design to create a luxury glamour. White. Get one more. Rotatable sunflower zircon open ring, decorated with baguette zircon and tiny side stones, delicate and sparkling. Purple. Get one more. Tiffany blue heart double pendant necklace, with enamel heart and vintage metal charm, trendy and cool. Blue. Valentino V-shaped, full pave stud earrings, iconic interlocking V outline inlaid with zircon, glamorous and suitable for daily wear. Green. Cartier style open bangle, with a central main zircon and rows of pave set side zircons, minimalist and elegant for daily wear. Pink. Get one more. Silver chain bracelet with pearl and mermaid tail, fresh ocean style. Red. Flowing texture irregular silver ring, avant-garde minimalist accessory. Laura, your 5 mystery bags become 10, congrats. Free gift for you. Thank you so much. Let's open Anne's 5 mystery bags. She wished for green, blue and yellow, and if the tag matches her wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Let's go, green. Get one more. Matte silver open ring with 3D 5-petal flower, delicate texture on petals, retro and gentle. Red. Sliver chain bracelet with pearl and mermaid tail, fresh ocean style. Yellow. Get one more. Textured rectangular silver stud earrings, minimalist cool tone. Purple. Two-tone titanium steel earrings with gold bow and silver heart, tender texture design. White. U-shaped hoop earrings, glossy cool metallic texture, minimalist daily wear. Pink. Ripple teardrop silver earrings, shimmering texture surface for cool aesthetic vibe. Blue. Get one more. Ripped texture wide ring, open cuff holds flowing poetry. Purple. Delicate bracelet with pink crystal thin chain, light luxury girly style. Red. 5 interlocking rings form a flower silhouette necklace, fresh minimalist design. Anne, your 5 mystery bags become 9, congrats. Free gift for you. Thank you so much.